Hi, hello, and welcome back to another new video of Learning Excel with me in a channel all about HR. So, this is the second part of learning date and time. So, if you have missed a part 1, please just do go visit that because what that is the primary thing where you will be learning how to find out the date and fixed date, current date, and all. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you about how to check the past date or future date. So ideally we have a beginning date for the project, let's consider. So I wanted to know the 1 year, 9 months and 20 days later the start date. So what could be the date I wanted to learn? So if you want to go for the past date also, I'll be explaining in the same formula. So let's get into this. Equals to date. For this we use a date formula because always date formula helps us to understand the requirement based on the days, months or years. Okay, that is the reason I'm using the formula called date. So inside the date again I'm going to open a new formula called year. I'll select this, close the bracket. So if you're looking for the future data, then you will be making it as a plus. If not, instead of plus, you will be making it as a minus. So in our scenario, we want to know after 1 year. So that's the reason I'm putting a plus sign and plus one, comma. Now I want to find out month. So for that, again, I'll select the same reference. I'll close the bracket. Plus is like if you want to know the months, how many months for that purpose. And I'll put it as 9, comma. Now again I want to find out day. So for that again I need to use day. I'll give the cell reference, close it, plus 20 days. Now click on enter, you will find it. Ta-da! So after 1 year, 9 months and 20 days for the 2014 May 3rd is like 23rd February 2016. So this is how this formula works. And major tip I would like to give you people is like do not try to misconcept with this formula because if you want accurate data then try doing it manually one by one step. If not, like there would be a what is this indifferences you can find in a data.